Man, I never thought we'd be back here. What's up, guys? It's Chris.
Missing someone.
So, before the days of beauty blenders, contour kits, and baking, we had these lovely bad boys. So today I'm going to be doing how I used to do my makeup in high school. For anybody that didn't go to high school with me, bless your soul, because you're about to see something scary. I had a rough style in high school. I was basically the physical embodiment of Snooki. I watched way too much Jersey Shore for my own good, and yeah, that's what I acted like. Anyway, so back in the day, there wasn't any moisturizer. So I'm gonna hop right into foundation. And what me and every other girl in Memorial High School used to use is the Maybelline Dream Matte Foundation. I tried to get it a couple shades darker than my skin tone because your girl used to like to be even more tan than she does now. I can't get this open. What I used to put this on with was a brush very similar to this. I obviously don't have the same one because that would be disgusting. Oh, this is so gross. And I used to use way too much of this, like to the point my mom would be like, why are you going through your foundation so quick? And I would be like, because I'm hungry. So let's just smear this all over our face because freckles weren't cool in the year 2012. This is literally balling up on my face. I wish I still had the clothes that I wore in high school as well. Like literally my style was like anything neon, see-through, or leopard print. Sign me up because that was my shit. This is yellow. This is yellow, but this is how I used to look. Now that we look even worse, I'm gonna move on to another favorite of mine in 2012, which is, I don't even know if this was the same brand, but you know those concealer sticks that everybody used to use? Well, bitch, that's what I'm using. And there was no putting little triangles under your eyes. I went like this. That's the only place I put it. And I used to slab this stuff on like there was no tomorrow. And we didn't even use a brush for that. We used our fingers. Guys, my face feels like a slip and slide. How is this okay? So then, there was no such thing as setting powder. Setting powder who? We don't know her. We don't know her and we never used her. So what I would do, I couldn't find it. Does anybody remember like Blend and Glow? I don't know who made it, but it was called Blend and Glow. And in my mind, I thought Wicked because it was a blush, bronzer, and highlighter all in one palette. What I would do is swirl my brush into the Blend and Glow and put it on my cheeks. Done. I couldn't find that. So we are taking something very similar from Hard Candy on a big brush. I'm gonna use this one, and what I would do is swirl it around, right? And put it all here. And don't forget the nose because you want it to have that sun-kissed look. Since I liked to be ultra tan, I also used to use this bitch right here. So what this is an NYC bronzer, and I would just basically dab my entire giant brush into this and put that everywhere that I put my Blend and Glow. I also had the most ratchet eyebrows to ever exist in high school because eyebrows weren't a thing. Like nobody filled in their eyebrows. Nobody did any of that. Everybody had ugly eyebrows. I was also an avid lover of tanning beds, which I'm not gonna do in this because I found the fake tan life, which is almost worse. And I can't forget, I was a avid lover of the very noticeable chest contour. Not that girls don't do it this day and age, because we all do, but I would use the same like orange bronzer all on my chest. Now that I used half the pan of that, let's move on. That was literally all I did for face. That is it. We are moving on to eyes. I used to use anything that was black and silver. So what I would do, I bought these because eyeshadow brushes, who are they? I remember Marissa having eyeshadow brushes and I was like, who needs those? We don't. And I never understood how to use them. I'm not even kidding you guys. I didn't even get into makeup until first year university. I didn't own a lipstick. I didn't own an eyeshadow palette. I did this routine, I'm not kidding you, until university, which is very sad. Let me get up close here. I would take this black, look at that. The foundation crease. What I would do is I would take this black and I would put it on this part of my eyelid. And there was no such thing as blending. I feel like people almost wanted the dark line. And then I would take a very frosty silver color and I would dig right into the pan and I would put that right here. Beauty gurus who? If you thought we were done here, you're wrong. You're wrong. Okay? Because then we go into a lighter silver. Okay? You following me? And we're gonna put that right here. Moving on to my personal favorite, which was black eyeliner. I messed with black eyeliner for far too long. Longer than I would like to admit. And I used to mess with these ones that would roll up. What I would do is put this right in my waterline. Now that we successfully look like a band member from My Chemical Romance, we are moving on. This was my shit. I lived and breathed for this right here. I thought this was like the best mascara in the world. Maybe it is. I would use, like, I'm not kidding you, like, I'm gonna say like 50 coats of this on my lashes until they all stuck together, and I was like, wow, I'm so cute. I wasn't. You know what? I don't hate this. I almost forgot the obnoxious eyebrow highlight. Like, who could forget? So what I would do, I would take that same Blend and Glow, take the shiniest part of it, and right here. That was literally all I did for eyes. So then moving on to the last crucial step is lips. Nobody, like, lipstick wasn't heard of, lip liner who? Like, those weren't a thing. What was a thing was either this as your lipstick, which I wasn't a fan of because, anyway. My favorite was a good, sparkly, clearish, pinkish gloss, and I would glob that on. So that's what I'm doing. This was literally, I'm not kidding you guys, this is what I did for prom. For prom. I looked like this. I'll put a picture right here. We are done. Oh, no, do you know what we almost forgot? The most vital part of this, my hair. So I'm gonna go do that and be right back. So, this is how ratchet my bump used to be. Well, we are going to end that here because I need to wipe this off my face before my face falls off. If you guys enjoyed watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you guys haven't already, check out mine and Britt's channel because we put out a couple new videos. So yeah, bye.